Transform your yard into a blooming paradise without breaking the bank. Here's how to grow beautiful flowers from Walmart seeds. First, let's talk soil. Most flowers thrive in well-draining soil. For containers, a good quality potting mix is ideal if planting directly into the ground. Loosen the soil about 6 to 8 inches deep and mix in some compost to enrich it. This will provide a healthy foundation for your seedlings. Next, it's time to plant. Always check your seed packet for specific planting depths and spacing. Generally, smaller seeds are sown just beneath the surface, while larger ones can be planted a bit deeper. Don't be tempted to overcrowd them. Allow space for growth and air circulation. Watering is crucial, but overwatering can be detrimental. After planting, gently mist the soil until damp. Keep the soil consistently moist, not soggy. Especially in the early stages, when seeds are germinating, a good rule of thumb is to water when the top pinch of soil feels dry to the touch. Patience is key. Most seeds will start to sprout within 1 to 3 weeks, depending on the variety and conditions. Once your seedlings have a few sets of true leaves, they're ready for more direct sunlight. Aim for at least 68 hours of sunlight per day for most flowering plants. As your flowers grow, continue consistent watering and consider light feeding every 46 weeks with a balanced liquid fertilizer. This will provide the nutrients needed for strong growth and abundant blooms. With a little care and attention, your affordable Walmart seeds will flourish into a breathtaking display, proving that beautiful gardening is accessible to everyone.